Hello, good afternoon. I am Colonel Burman. I am here again to tell you about the factor 4. We have already covered factor 1, 2 and 3. In the selection parlance, we call factor 4 and factor 2 as core qualities. It doesn't mean that the other qualities are any less important, but these qualities are more important from the point of a person wanting to join army. The qualities that are part of factor 4 are courage, determination and stamina. As the name suggests, and you will agree, a person who doesn't possess courage possibly is not fit to join armed forces as a career, because there in every step, every decision that you make, every action that you do needs some degree of courage. Courage is opposite of being fearful, and the knowledge that we possess of our mortality leads us to be fearful, which is very essential. Anybody saying that he is not afraid is possibly not telling the whole truth, because we are all scared and we should be that. Like the rule says, preservation of self, preservation of species are the guiding principle for life, and therefore we must feel scared from dangers. The person who is courageous, it is not that he is not scared, he is not afraid. It's only that by training and by mental mechanism, he has learned to live with his fear. He has learned to overcome the fear, or he has learned to take necessary steps to overcome his fear, because essential in the job profile of an armed forces officer is courage. Next is determination. When you are producing sustained effort, a time comes when the reserve of your courage and mental strength seems to become very low. It is the determination that helps you holding on and complete the task. Like we see in athletics, a person running any race, towards the end, everybody, be it an Olympic champion or a school runner, feels the last few meters become very hard, very difficult, when legs just give up. Everything within says that no more. That's the time when your determination keeps you going. And such opportunities might occur again and again in the life of an armed forces officer. Finally, stamina. This is what you build through your training, through your practice. This quality is measured in two parts by GTO. He measures your physical stamina as well as mental stamina. It is your ability to produce sustained effort and comes from your regular practice and training. Thank you. Good day.